Okay, so today when you get logged in, second graders, you are going to be going right to the library website and the second grade tab. So go ahead, get logged in, and then remember to get to the library website. You should have a bookmark somewhere up on your bookmarks bar that has the little box with the blue, a little blue box with an L in it. That will take you to the library site, and then you're clicking on second grade. Once everybody is there, we will continue with the next direction. So go ahead and push pause on the video here. Okay, so now that we are on the second grade page, good job, you are now going to scroll down. Remember, you can use your arrow keys if you need to scroll down. I'm looking for the little gray box on the side that has the little chalkboard in it that says today's lesson. Remember, you are going to click on today's lesson, and that is going to take you to a copy of a holiday card. Now, this is just a copy. You cannot edit this one because this one is actually Miss Cabot's card. So we are going to make a copy of the card, and to do that, you need to click on the File menu. So remember at the top, these are all my menus. You have a little bit less than me right now, but you're going to go to File. Everybody click on File. Then you are going down to Make a Copy and click it. Okay, and then once I have the little pop-up box, I want you to name your card with your first name and card. First name and then card. Go ahead and push pause here until everybody has that part done. All right, once you have your first name and card, you can click OK. Okay, so now you all have your own card that you can make some changes to. Just double check right up here at the corner that it says your name and card to make sure that you have your card open. All right, now as we start working today, there's lots of different things on this page that I can work from, okay? We are only going to be working on the front page today. However, sometimes just by accident, I might click and drag something off my page wrong, or might move things around that I didn't want to move. So remember, as we're working today, if you make a mistake, you can use on your toolbar up here, if you use the undo button, it will go back one step. So I want everybody to remember that as you're working today. If I make a mistake, I use the undo button to go back one step. Okay. Now, we are going to make some changes to our picture and our greeting on the front page of our card. So, what you're first going to do is, if you like the snowman, you can keep him just the way he is. But if you would like to choose a different picture, I'm going to show you how to do that. So we're going to just click on the snowman and hit your backspace key to get rid of him. So click on it so that I get the blue boxes on the outsides, and then I click backspace to get rid of it. Go ahead and push pause here. Okay, now we are going to be inserting a different image for our front cover. Okay, so on my toolbar right up here, you can see the little image button. It looks like a little square box with mountains. Click it. And then we are going to do a search, and we are going to be searching for Christmas. That will help us get a good choice of images to choose from. So put the word Christmas, C-H-R-I-S-T-M-A-S, and search. All right, you can go ahead and push pause here if you need to until everybody gets caught up. All right, now as I am looking for an image to put on the front of my page, I want to make sure that my picture isn't a full picture where there's lots of background color. I want more of a clip art type picture. Okay, and also we want to make sure that our picture is more tall than it is wide. So some of these right here, these are really wide pictures. We're looking for a tall picture, tall and skinny. So make sure you scroll down until you find something that you could put on the front of your card that is tall and thin. Okay, I'm just going to choose this little Christmas tree. Once I find a picture, you're going to click on it so that you get the blue check mark box, and then you're going to say select to put it into my card. Go ahead and push pause here until everybody's found their image and has it in their card. Okay, now I have my picture on my card and it's on top of everything. I need to resize it so that it's smaller. So remember, I can use the little arrows or boxes around my picture. I'm first though need to rotate it. So I don't want my picture going up and down this way because I need it to go sideways so that when I fold it, it's facing the right direction. So what you're going to do is at the very top of my picture where I have the little boxes around it, above the top one there's a little circle. When I hover my mouse right over that circle, I get a little plus sign. If I click and hold my mouse and I move my mouse to the side, it will rotate and it'll kind of show me what it looks like. I'm trying to snap it right next to my little plus sign. Do you see where it says 270? 270 means that it's all the way straight going the other direction. As soon as I have that 270, I'm going to let go of the mouse and it rotated my picture around. Go ahead and pause here until everybody's caught up. Okay, now I need to resize my picture to make it smaller so that it fits just in this front section of my card. So remember, I'm going to use the little boxes around the outsides and I'm going to shrink it, and then I can click in the middle of my picture to move it. The blue boxes that are right next to the front cover are really nice to help you kind of guide where it will be in the center of that page. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get it all the way so that it's filling the front page just like mine looks here. Remember, I can use the side arrows to squish it if I need to. Squish it this way or squish it this way or pull it back out or pull it back out. Once you have it how you like it, leave that part alone for now. Go ahead and push pause here until everybody has their set. All right, so the last thing we need to do, and now that I put my picture over here, you can see how it kind of covered up my words over here. Now I need to move this picture so that it's behind these words. So I need to right click on my picture. So I'm going to make my mouse go right over top of the picture, and I need to right click. Remember, on the Chromebook, you're just going to use 2 fingers and you're going to lightly tap on the rectangle to make a right click menu. Once I right click on it, I'm going to go to Order, and then I'm going to go to Send to Back because I want it to be behind my words. If I send it to the back, it's going to be behind my words. And now I can see that I have my words over top. Now I might want to change my words or the words color or anything else. So I need to now click in the box where it says Season's Greetings, and if I hold down Control on my keyboard and push A, it will select all of that words together. Then I can go up to my toolbar and make it red or whatever other color you would like that to be. And I could also change the greeting if I didn't want it to say Season's Greeting, but instead I wanted it to say Merry Christmas. I could do that there too. So go ahead and change the text and get that just the way you like it. And then that's all we'll have time for today.